Let's do this. Welcome back, my beautiful Galaxy Watch 4 lovers. Just when you thought I have forgotten you. No, you can't get rid of me that easily. Just because Samsung is on a roll with beautiful new products doesn't mean I will neglect you. I have two important topics for you today. Number one is a brand new update for your Galaxy Watch 4, which is coming your way. Number two is the always on display fix for third-party watch faces. Yes, that has been a massive topic since the recent Unpacked event update. So look, the fix for the always on display came from a member of our awesome community right here. And isn't that awesome? I think it's pretty cool. In return, I would ask you to consider subscribing to our community by clicking down here. Thank you. Samsung is now releasing a follow-up firmware update for your Galaxy Watch 4, and it will fix some known issues that have become apparent with the massive update we just spoke about. And I know it shouldn't be like this, but first reports have also shown an increase in battery life, which is obviously welcome to all of us. And then there's this topic with the double tapping always on display in battery saver mode and sleep mode. And you know what? That has also been fixed in this update. For the latest update version, I will leave the number on the screen here for you so you can check. You go into your wearable app and do the update. It is available right now starting in South Korea, but it will come your way very, very shortly. At least you know some fixes are coming your way, which is better than not knowing, so keep hanging in there. Oh my god, is this a big topic? The always on display for third-party watch faces. This all over the place. Everybody is discussing it, how to get around. I have a fix here for you, thanks to our community member. And some people have no functionality for the always on displays for third-party watch faces, and some people do have the always on display, but it's not updating time-wise or anything else. And you can only see it when you basically tilt your arm in order to see the proper watch face, if you know what I mean. So, simple fix. I have chosen Facer and Watchmaker here for you to demonstrate this quickly. All you need is your Galaxy phone right now. And I'm talking about the corresponding phone that is paired to your Galaxy Watch 4. Please open up your wearable app on your smartphone as you always do. Go into watch settings. Go into apps. You scroll down to your desired third-party watch face maker app. Once you're there, you basically click on it on your desired app and you will see the app screen. Another layer, the field will come up here, allow background activity. It recently appeared on other apps as well, and in order to have your always on display working fine as it was before, toggle this on. Please toggle this on and it will then work. It may well be that it is grayed out at first and you cannot toggle on or off anything. Please ensure that you close your wearable app completely, open it up again, and it should work. If it still doesn't work, please restart your phone, but that should do the trick. Always remember, you have seen it here first. Therefore, an appreciation, like, and or comment is always welcome. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome insights. Thank you for watching. Peace out.